Welcome back, friends. This lecture is mostly a review of what we have talked earlier, and I want to emphasize the important point again and again here that there are two types of situations we are going to deal with: transformation at one point, transformation at one set of coordinates. They both are different scenarios. What we have been talking so far is the transformation at one fixed point. So it's very important that you understand the difference between the two scenarios. They are not the same. We will talk about the same coordinate scenario later in this lecture series, but right now we want to understand properly the scenario of transformation at one point P, which is a fixed location in the universe point P in the four coordinate system, time, and then the three coordinates x, y, z. Okay, so we have seen this earlier. All of this is just a recap of what we have already seen in the previous lectures. So we have scalar at when you're transforming its value at one given point, it is gauge independent. Vector transforms like this, where the transformation tensor is this, and then 1 1 0 2 2 0 transform like this. So nothing new here, just I want to recap. I want to make sure that you understand that we are dealing with one point scenario, one point fixed location in the universe in the time space coordinates, fixed location, and then because perturbed gauge 1 is slightly different from perturbed gauge 2, the coordinate values will be slightly different, but the point is one fixed point.